What? Wait a minute. Where's everyone else? Did they chicken out at the last second? I bloody knew it! I thought I saw Bruno looking at me funny. They are so much worse up close! Oh, the Pharaoh's sarcophagus! Hopefully nobody's in there. We've got quite enough necrotins scampering about the place already.
A frenzy of bloodshed.
Just pick me up when it's all over. Thank you. Aside from the variety of monstrosities trying to eviscerate me, I'm a little distracted by how breezy it is up the old, undercarriage area. Hope nothing pops out by accident. Yes! Hello, my adoring fans! Stanton Shaw has returned! Look, I know I'm not really here. You're not really cheering for me. But damn it, this is my hallucination! Oh, dreadful! You people actually watch this for fun? Hammer's at full charge. Strange how it acts almost as a battery. Just thinking of some old chums. Honestly, Alfred, you'd be horrified by all of this. I do worry a bit about damaging the surrounding architecture. This site is a gold mine. Look at me, I'm gladiating!
Insta-kill.
Oh, I think the scales just tipped in our favor. Oh, a classical bathhouse! You've got the mood lighting, you've got the fountains of blood, woohoo, the full Caligula! Ah, if these walls could talk. That may require stitches. That's not where I left you. Wait. Did I You did notice I've a weapon, yes? Fires bits of metal, makes big holes,
Bonus points.
Well, I was never one to pass up a free lunch. I need this for later. You'll see. Snakes alive! Where did I put my smelling salts? Oh, bugger! I must have left them in my other loincloth. Let's light a fire in their bellies, shall we? Pardon me, mate, but I believe you've sprung a leak.
Double points.
I know blokes who pay to get slapped around like that. Right now I'd pay them to trade places with me. Ha! You call that a fire? Clearly you haven't seen my lab, have you? I think I burned it down. That looks like the goddess tree. How the bloody hell did a piece of Irish folklore end up in a Roman arena? Silly me, I'm on drugs. Look, there's a walrus wearing a top hat. Hello, you jaunty little devil.
The contender calls the champion of Daru.
That means a lot.
The champion of Daru is slain. A contender calls the champions of Raw.
Look out, mates! Vengeance is
Double
coming for
points.
us! Vengeance in a shiny steel helmet!
The champions of Raw are slain.
Good! It didn't explode. Never trust necrotic gases.
A contender calls the champions of Juice.
You see him too, yes? The big nasty bloke with the hooks for claws.
Incredible.
Just checking.
The champions of Juice are slain.
Sulfur, charcoal, potassium nitrate. Ooh, I can make gunpowder if you're hiring. In the, Max Ammo factory. This Norseman must have been a great warrior in life. That, or he was incredibly rich. Or maybe he just really liked boats.
A contender calls the champion of Odin!
The axe throw is back for an encore. Can't say I liked it the first time.
The champion of Odin is slain!
Right then. Walls made of skulls, check. Flaming torches, check. Sacrificial circle, checkity check, check, check. As a man of science, I believe we've stumbled upon something diabolical.
Trial awaits.
These ancient societies, they squandered the prima materia, the raw chaos, they used it up. I thought it was all gone. Until the Titanic, that is.
Points.
Sounds good! Although double pint sounds even better.
Carpenter. Bonus points.
More of these big, jumpy blokes. Makes me tired just seeing them flex and pounce.
A vicious display.
It's like carving a shitty cake.
Unleash the onslaught!
What is the opposite of insta-kill? Slow kill? Finger kill? If you're looking for a chew-toy, you've picked the wrong Brit! Now I know why tigers are so rare. Bloody Romans! Max ammo! Oh, that does have a lovely ring to it. Nice and simple. Does what it says on the tin.
Carpenter.
Oh, that's like a bloody thunder.
A god appears.
Right, emergency set.
Petitions a god.
I'll bill you later.
Will be satisfied.
Selena isn't quite as splattered with prima materia as the ship. They just knew how to manipulate it better back, well, whenever this is. Oh, sure. Pick on the sexy one, Mike, don't you? First you, then whoever stole my clothes and painted me like some Celtic stringwalker. Be assertive, go for the jugular. I'll never read the Jungle Book the same way again. Ah, lovely. I always wondered what it's like to fight inside a septic tank. Oh, that is right. Maggots! Undead biological weapon!
Insta-kill! Receive the gift of a god! Max ammo!
Crikey! I can feel the organs squishing about! Do they even work? Wish I'd brought some catnip! It's heavy as fuck to swing! When it connects! Oh, bliss! Oh, in a I'll kill you when you're not looking kind of a way. Curiosity killed the cat. No! A shitload of bullet stick. Oh, these gladiator ghouls fight better than the other one. I'm getting worse. It still hurts, I'll have you know. Cheeky little shit.
Unleash the onslaught!
Did anyone feel a change in the air? I swear I just felt a gust up my man's skirt.
Fire sale.
Ask me no questions and I'll sell you no lives. Did you see what I did there? Off you go, mate, and this time, stay there!
Max ammo.
Oh, my metaphorical cup runneth over.
Full power.
The fire doesn't harm them? That's poppycock! Or should I say, cocksalad! Is that hammering I hear? Or did my poor heart finally explode? Hey! Ah! Did we just kill that hefty bloke with the axes? No man with a gimpy eye just put you down, big fella. Trying to rethink your career, yes? Oh, you're so much worse up close! Oh, was that a pat on the back? Right back at you, mate!